Using land effects to run your schedules is as easy as clicking a button, but sometimes more information is wanted in your schedules, such as watering times throughout the year, or shade tree calculations. Whether you have exported your schedule directly from CAD into Excel, or created an Excel sheet from scratch, open and modify that spreadsheet, creating any additional formulas and formatting to your desired look. Once you have finalized your spreadsheet, select all respective cells you wish to carry over to CAD and copy those cells by pressing Ctrl-C. Head back to CAD, navigate where you would like to place your copied content, type Paste Spec to bring up the Paste Special dialog, where you can place the copied cells as a static image, or, for our example, a live link to the given spreadsheet. Once you press OK, you can place the copied cells, at which point you can scale to fit your layout. The schedules or charts placed in your DWG will show exactly how they do in Excel and will auto-update based on the changes done in the Excel sheet, which means every change you do will be reflected in your final layouts. Start playing around with this newfound flexibility and get your schedules to look exactly how you want by importing from Excel.